How to link Ubisoft account to Twitch and mobile. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to link Ubisoft account to Twitch and mobile. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, we need to head over to any browser of your choice that has a desktop mode. So for me, I will choose Google Chrome right here, and I will search for Twitch right here. So I will search for it. So what you need to do is to click on the three dots and make sure that you're on the desktop side of your Chrome. And once you're there, just zoom in right here and click on your profile icon up there. And once you click that, you will actually see these options right here. So click on settings right here, click on settings. And then from in there, you will see this site. So what you need to do is to click on connections just around here. And you will see here some apps that you can connect to your Twitch. So in here on the bottom, you will see the Ubisoft. So click on connect right here and then Ubisoft corner. And this will open another page for you to register or log into your Ubisoft account. So let's just wait for it. So as you can see here, here's Ubisoft. So click on get started right here and click on log in with Twitch. And we should be able to connect our Ubisoft account with Twitch. So click on authorize right there. And then this will load again. And click on I accept cookies and just log into your Ubisoft account. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to link Ubisoft account to Twitch and mobile. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.